so the engine's on. You can see this thing is shaking, so that's because it's on. That's the engine mount. You can see it shaking. All right, so basically the problem I'm having is that the car is running rough. What caused it was faulty one of these, and then the result of that was the engine got flooded or something like that, and one of these things broke. So I'm trying to find out which one of these broke. So basically, when I disconnect this one, the engine keeps running. So I know that one is probably broken. So this one, when I disconnect this one, the engine keeps running. So I know that that is not the problem. So I know that this one might be broken actually. So these two might be broken. Now this one, when I disconnect it, the engine stops running. So that means that this was operating correctly. So I know that it's not that one, but it could be those two. This one I haven't checked. I'll check it in a minute. But these two, I know that they are broken. And what's inside these two is the ignition coil and the spark plugs. So those two I need to buy replacement parts, figure out, see if it works.